Hey Beer Belly fam, today it's a cold winter's day, so we're gonna make some comfort food. Meatloaf and mashed potatoes. Hope you like it. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Beer Belly Food and Travel.
Let's get chopping fresh parsley, onions, and we're gonna add that along with the breadcrumbs, garlic, spices, and egg, Worcestershire, milk, and ketchup. This is gonna be really, really moist meatloaf, guys. Mix that up really good with your hands and put that in the pan, pack that in nice and tight, and we're gonna glaze this with barbecue sauce before we put that in the oven. Pop it in the oven at 350 for about 55 minutes. Maggie's waiting for something. Look at that, awesome. Now we're just gonna make the mashed potatoes with some lots of butter, salt, pepper, garlic powder, milk. Mash it up really nice. I made some nice gravy with some beef stock and mushrooms and put that over top. Look at that, super delicious. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Try it out, let me know how you like it in the comments.